Pack with us for Walt Disney World.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ellie.
I want it to be Ellie.
You can't be.
Oh, then I'm Mitch.
And we are M&E Travels, and today we thought we would make a little video about how we pack all of our things when we go to Walt Disney World.
Yeah, which is in 6 days.
It is, not very far away.
Not far at all. So, how this is going to go, we're standing in our Disney room with whatever this guy's name is.
Michael Jordan.
That guy. He's just creeping behind me. And Ellie's going to go through all of our luggage and what we've packed. And then I'm going to go through all of our tech gear, what we chuck into our hand luggage. And then the next time you see us, we'll be in Orlando.
All right, so for this trip, we're doing it a little bit differently. So normally we both just take a big orange suitcase like this one here. Or like the one over there. But because we know that we like to shop and we don't want to be stuck on room, we're actually taking a third suitcase. But for the way over, we don't need the extra space. So I have packed all of Mitchell's items into the smaller case, which we will then put into the bigger case to take with us.
Gives us a whole empty bag to come home with.
It does, and a large one. So, I always like to use packing cubes. I find it easier to like pop all of our belongings in. So if I go through Mitchell's bag, this packing cube here is just all of Mitchell's t-shirts that he's taking. But they all fitted into one packing cube, which is very nice. And then he's also just got on this side, we always take a medication bag. And in that bag, we just have things like sunscreen, Panadol, put it the right way. We like to take Band-Aids, Sudafed, throat lollies, because if you do get a sore throat, we find that it's really hard to get a decent throat lolly when you're over there.
Although when we did go and try and buy throat lollies, we never went to like Walmart or anything like that.
No, we didn't.
We were trying to shop around like the Disney resorts area.
Yeah.
And just what you can get from the resorts is not great.
Yeah.
I'm sure there is probably a decent option out there somewhere.
And then we always pop in Travel Calm as well. More so, there's some rides that make some people
The Simpsons ride.
Simpsons ride particularly at Universal can make you feel a little bit sick. So we just pop all of them in there. Obviously, we do have like other medications and stuff through our other bags as well. And then on the other side of this bag, we've got all of the bottoms that Mitchell's taking. So his lovely Gymshark shorts are all in there. I won't show you, but all of his underwear and socks. And then in this little bag, which is actually a shoe bag, but I use this bag to put like all of our little bits and pieces in. So I've got our ponchos that are in here, Walt Disney World ponchos. I've got my little fan. We've both got a UV rated umbrella.
Yeah, just like a little compact
umbrella.
One.
These are in the cases, but then when you take it out, it like gets a little bit smaller.
Yeah, they're just handy if it starts pouring rain and they're small, so you can just whip them out really quickly.
So I just pop all of that stuff into a little bag, just so that I know exactly where it is, and it's sort of all contained. And then Mitchell has got a pair of On Clouds in here, and he'll be wearing a pair of On Clouds on the way over. And then I think I've just got to put your Crocs in.
Yeah.
So I haven't done that yet. And then if we go to my bag, I've obviously got my Disney Crocs here that I picked up last trip. Obviously good if you're going to like the pool, or if you want to take them to the parks to do water rides where you get a little bit wet and you don't want to get your runners wet. Then for me, obviously, as we all know, I like to plan my outfits. So instead of packing like all my t-shirts into one packing cube, all of my bottoms into another packing cube, I have used these two packing cubes here and here. And they have got my outfits, so t-shirt and bottoms, piled on top of each other from day one all the way to the end. So they are all in there, nice and neat, easy and compact. And then on the other side, I've got this one here, which has got some spare clothes and my pajamas and my bathers in there. Then I've obviously got my ear bag. My ear bag is very full this trip. So that is all in there. Really compact way to store your ears. I got that from Temu, I think, last year, this time when we were traveling. And it fits your ears in really easy. I think there's probably about 13 pairs of ears in that bag at the moment, give or take.
Is there room for more ears to come home?
In that bag, no, but I will make room elsewhere for ears to come home because they are on the shopping list. Then this trip, I'm just taking 2 lounge flies, a little bit different for me than last trip. But in the lounge flies, I have packed, I'm not obviously going to show you, but in one of them, I've got like all of my underwear and my socks and like my bras and all of those sorts of things. They fit really nicely inside the lounge flies, and I guess they're kind of like a bit like a packing cube. And then down the very end, they're just sitting in there is all of the crossbody bags that we are taking. There's quite a few in there. Mitchell's crossbody bag, and then under his crossbody bag is my shoes. And obviously I'll be wearing another pair on the plane. But that is pretty much everything. We've just got some toiletries and stuff to pop in, but we've got our toilet bag there. I've got a bag full of like all of my hair accessories, my clips, my little bows, everything like that. And then the final toiletries and stuff obviously will go in just before we go. And then I guess we both take, what are they called? Carry-on suitcases. They're currently open down here, and they go over pretty much empty.
Yeah, what you can see in them is basically
pretty much all they're
what
gonna
goes
have.
in them.
So we've both got a neck pillow from the plane, and then these we actually got on our honeymoon from United. And in here is just like our eye masks, and then they've got some earplugs, little toothbrush and things like that. Just things that you might need while you're on the plane. And then we also just have this little bag that I take with us every time, and it's just got like general things in here. So we've got like tissues, wet wipes. We always like to wipe down like the tray table and stuff
although
like
United
that.
do give you wipes.
They do give you wipes. Roll-on deodorant that you can take through. Some mouthwash, always a good one.
Just some essential like little
Essential
toiletries
stuff,
for travel.
yeah. Hand sanitizer. I also put Band-Aids and stuff like that in there just in case you need them. But they all go in there, and then that's pretty much all we take in these little bags. We don't really need anything else.
No, and then the pink suitcase with all my stuff will go inside of this orange suitcase.
Yes.
So traveling over, we still have 2 bags. Coming back, we'll have more.
3. Yeah.
And then
The last thing, this is very different, but I'm super, super excited. I have got my Orbit Key bag that they kindly gifted to me that I will be using as my carry-on bag this trip, which I'm super excited about. Obviously, you can see Mickey's hanging there.
it's a really cool bag.
It's really nice, and there is so much space in this bag. I don't actually know what I am going to end up putting in it.
Yeah.
So far, all I've got in there is just like my little accessory bag. It has my hairbrush and a little mirror and stuff like that. But what will eventually go into here is like my headphones, my portable charger, our passports, all of that will pop into here.
Snacks.
Some snacks. And then that will be really good to go. But
Yep.
that is pretty much everything that we have packed and how we sort of pack it.
Yeah.
So now I think it's Mitchell's turn to take us through all of the tech that we take and where it goes when we pack.
All right, so everything you see here is going to get packed basically into our carry-on luggage. A few of the things into our backpacks, a few of the things into our carry cases. So these are our essential tech items that we take with us. If you watched our last vlog, you would have seen I spoke about that we take power boards. So these are the power boards we take. They've got some USB plugs, USB-C, regular Australia plugs, and then we just plug on a US converter. I'm gonna struggle with that. There we go. And then now you plug that in with one plug and you've got all these plugs that you can use. So that's what we do. We take 2 of them usually because we have quite a few things that we charge. So they'll go into our carry-on suitcases. Along with that, we take 3 of these, and then we have this one here that's just a single plug, but it's also got some adapters on there as well. Obviously, we're filming on a camera. That's the case for it. So this camera comes with us. With that, we take extra batteries for the camera that click onto the camera while we use it. A little tripod that goes with that as well. All the memory cards go into this case here. So we have a little case there that has all of our cards and things that go in there. And then that all goes into this little case here, which we got off Amazon. If you're interested in it, you can find it in our Amazon storefront. Little plug there. I'll put the link in the bio for you, along with all this gear as well. Now we take a laptop with us. This is a MacBook Air. So that comes along with us, along with all of its accessories and chargers, which I chuck in here. This is just a little GoPro case. So that usually has my SD cards, the hard drives that we take, all the cables we need for it, some AirPods, chargers, that goes in there. On top of that, we have our 360 camera that we take with us. So this is the DJI Osmo 360. So that comes with us. A few accessories for that, like a little handle for it and a wrist strap, some extra batteries in the charging case, and another wrist strap as well that comes with us, more for rides. We have our DJI mic minis, which we're currently wearing at the moment. They look like this. So they go into that case charges them for us, and then that goes into this case. We have our magic bands, very important. Our wireless chargers, these ones are really good. They're from Snap Wireless, and you can charge multiple ways. So that's wireless charging on the top. You've got USB-C lightning adapter cables there that come out and you can plug them in. It's got an adapter to plug into an Australian wall plug, or you can take that off, flick this down, and it plugs directly into an American wall plug as well. And you can use this as like a, while it's charging the battery, it can also charge your device as well. So really handy for that. We've got 2 of them. We charge our phones multiple times a day before these need to get recharged. So
yeah, normally
really
I think
good.
you can get nearly like 2.5 to 3 charges out of them before they have to be charged again.
Yep. Now then, in Ali's carry-on bag and my carry-on bag, I always pack a electronics case. Each one of these bags will have like a phone charger, a watch charger, our magic band. I usually put at least 1 converter, I think, in each of these.
Yeah.
The idea is if our luggage was to get lost or for some reason we didn't have it, we're not stuck without chargers or anything like that. There'll be 1 in each of our bags, no matter what. So there's 1 for her, 1 for me. All of that, a lot of it gets packed into this backpack here, which is a travel-on backpack. I've taken this on nearly all of our trips. It's really good.
Every trip
It's getting a
we've
bit
taken.
dirty now. I'm almost due for a new one.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really good because the zips on it, they're anti-theft zips, so you can click them on there, and then people can't pickpocket you from behind because the zips are zipped shut. They can't open them. So it does that for all the zippers. It's got a bottle holder on the side where you can chuck your bottle in. Laptop sleeve, a big compartment.
And it slips onto your carry-on.
Yeah, and it's got the thing to slip onto the carry-on case as well, which is really good. Now, on top of that, with Ali's carry-on case, we were also really kindly gifted from Orbit Key.
Yeah, with my bag, we were gifted.
Yeah, sorry, the bag, not the carry-on case. We were gifted these phone straps as well from Orbit Key. So this one here is a wrist strap. It's got a little Mickey on it, so you can carry your phone and not drop it.
Super cute.
And then this one here is a crossbody strap. Same thing, it's got Mickey on it there.
Will be getting used.
Wear it like
this trip, I believe.
Yeah, like an over-the-shoulder carrier for your phone. So we're going to take them with us as well. They'll be really cool for some of the excursions we're doing as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's all of our stuff really. Not much more to pack apart from that.
No.
No.
We're pretty much almost ready to go.
Yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed this Pack With Us vlog.
Yes.
We're going to be coming home with a lot more stuff than what we've packed.
Hopefully not too much.
Yeah, not too much, hopefully.
No.
We've had a lot of strange comments from people about, like not online, like from friends and family about
How much
stuff we've bought.
Yeah.
A lot of judgment. It's all right.
That's okay. But yeah, we're super excited that it's only 6 days until we get to go.
Yeah.
And yeah, next time you'll see us, it will be travel day.
Pre-travel day.
Pre-travel day.
We're doing a pre-travel day this time.
Yes, we are.
And an intentional one, not a
No.
throwing one in because our flight's been delayed one.
No, yes.
But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram.
And we will see you in Orlando.
Bye.